Let's talk about tense, one of the most important topics in English grammar. Tense tells us when an action happens in the past, present, or future. There are three main tenses and each has four forms, making a total of 12. Let's learn present tense in an easy way. It talks about things that happen now, happen regularly, or are true all the time. First one, present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Simple present for habits, facts, and regular actions. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, I go for a walk every morning. This is something that happens regularly, so we use the simple present tense. The sun rises in the morning. It's universal truth, so we use the simple present tense. Second is continuous tense. The actions happening right now. Subject plus emiser plus VING plus objective. For example, I'm eating lunch right now. The action eating lunch is happening at this moment. That's why we use am plus verb ing. Second example is she is studying for her exam. So the action studying is happening right now or around the present time. We use is plus verb ing to show it. So next is perfect for actions that happened at some time before now and have a connection to the present. Structure is subject plus has or have plus V3 plus objective. For example, I have finished my homework. The action finishing homework happened recently, and the result is important now. My homework is complete. Second example is they have visited Cox's Bazar. The action visiting happened at some time before now, but the exact time is not mentioned. The experience is important in the present. Last one is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action that started in the past, is still happening now, and may continue into the future. So, structure is subject plus has been or have been plus V3 plus objective plus time reference. For example, one is I have been working on this project since morning. So this means I started the work in the past morning, okay, and I'm still working now. Time marker since morning shows the starting point of the action. So the second class of things will be in the next video. See you next.